Hello everyone, I am Dhaval Rajapati, a math teacher. Today we will start exercise number 4.3. In question number 1, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. In this question, we have four linear equations. One, x plus y is equal to 4. Second one, x minus y is equal to 2. Third one, y equal to 3x. And fourth one, 3 equal to 2x plus y. So in this question, before we draw the graph, we know that we have minimum two coordinates to draw our graph. Okay, this is the minimum requirement of two coordinates for every graphs. Okay, so let us solve one by one all these equations. So our first equation is x plus y equal to 4. Okay, so we can write y equal to 4 minus x. Okay, that's why if value of x is equal to 0, okay, we can take any kind of value of x, okay, minus infinity to plus infinity. So if x is equal to 0, then y equal to 4 minus 0. That's why y equal to 4. Okay. Similarly, if x equal to 1, then y equal to 4 minus 1. That's why y equal to 3. If x equal to 2, then y equal to 4 minus 2. That's why y equal to 2. Okay, so we can take minus infinity to plus infinity any value of x and get the value of y. Okay, so I will take here two value. X is equal to 0. Okay, first one, x is equal to 0. At that time, value of our y is equal to 4. Another value is x is equal to 2. Okay, I can take x is equal to 1 also. Okay, but here I will take x is equal to 2. At that time, value of y is equal to 2. Okay, now we have two coordinates of our first equation. So we can draw on our Cartesian plane. I already draw here our Cartesian plane. Okay, so first one is our value of x. Okay, 0 at that time, y is equal to 4. So look at here, this is our x axis, okay, and this one is y. When x is equal to 0, at that time value of our y is equal to 4. So y is here. So this is the first coordinate. Okay, now second coordinate is when x is equal to 2. At that time y is equal to 2. So we can write x is equal to 2. At that time y is equal to 2. Okay, when x is equal to 2, at that time y is equal to 2. So 2 will be here. Sorry, this is the wrong. Okay, so we can draw like this. Okay, this is a linear equation. So we can write here our value equation x plus y equal to 4. Now let us see second one is. Okay, this one is first one. Now second one. So second one is x minus y equal to 2. That's why we can say y equal to x minus 2. Okay, so when x is equal to 0, at that time y equal to 0 minus 2. So value of y equal to minus 2. Now if x is equal to 2, at that time value of y is equal to 2 minus 2, that's why y equal to 0. Okay, so this is the value of our x and y coordinates for second linear equation. So in second table we can write when x is equal to 0, at that time y is equal to minus 2, and when x is equal to 2, at that time y is equal to 0. So let us represent our these coordinates on our Cartesian plane. Okay, so first one, when x is equal to 0, at that time y is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 0. Okay, this is our x, this one is y. So x is equal to 0, at that time y is equal to minus 2. So our first coordinate at here. Now when x is equal to 2, at that time y is equal to 0. Okay, so when x is equal to 2, so 2 is here, at that time y is equal to 0, it will be here. So we can draw this type of linear equation. Okay, so write down x minus y equal to 2. So this is a second solution of our equations. Okay, now let us see third one. So our third equation is y equal to 3x. Okay, so if x is equal to 0, at that time y equal to 3 into 0, that's why value of y is equal to 0. Okay, now if x is equal to 2, at that time value of y is equal to 3 into 2, that's why value of y is equal to 6. Okay, so this is a more than our graph. Okay, so I will take here x is equal to 1, that's why y is equal to 3 into 1, so value of y is equal to 3. So I will take our two coordinates, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay, so write down third one is when x is equal to 0. Okay, when x is equal to 0, at that time value of y is equal to 0. Now when x is equal to 1, at that time value of y is equal to 3. So by using these coordinates we can draw our third graph. Okay, so first one is when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So easy, x and y both are 0, so it's our origin O. Now when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, at that time y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 is here, am I right? 1 is here. At that time y is equal to 3, so y is here, so our next coordinate is here. So we can join this one. So third graph is like this. So we can write here y equal to 3x. Okay, now let us see last one. Which one is our fourth equation? Our fourth equation is 3 equal to 2x plus y. Okay, write down 3 equal to 2x plus y. So we can solve this equation. Y is equal to, okay, y is equal to 3 minus 2x. That's why if x is equal to 0, at that time y equal to 3 minus 2 into 0, that's why value of y equal to 3. When x equal to 1, at that time y equal to 3 minus 2 into 1, that's why y is equal to 3 minus 2, that's why 1. And when x equal to 2, at that time y equal to 3 minus 2 into 2. So here 3 minus 4. So y equal to minus 1. Okay. So in this equation, I will take two coordinates, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay. So write down, when x is equal to 0, at that time value of y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 1, at that time value of y is equal to 1. So we can represent these coordinates on our graph. Okay. So first one, when x is equal to when x is equal to 0, at that time y is equal to 3. So x is here, y is here. Where x axis is 0, at that time y will be a 3. So first coordinate at here. Now second coordinate is where x is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is here. When x is equal to 1, at that time y also on 1. So this is our second coordinate. So now draw a linear. Yes. That's why we can write here 3 equal to 2x plus 5. So dear friend, this is a solution of our question number 1. In question number 2, give the equation of two lines passing through the coordinate 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? In this question, we have to give answer how many lines are passing in our coordinates 2 and 14, and also we need to give answer why. Okay. So first we know that solution, here our coordinates are 2 and 14. Okay. That's why 2 is our value of x and 14 is our value of y. Okay. So it's so easy. How can we make a equation? Okay. So first x plus y. Okay. X plus y. X is 2 and y is equal to 14. So we can write 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Similarly, we can write x minus y. Okay. That's why 14 minus 2 equal to 12. So our linear equations are x plus y equal to 16 and x minus y equal to 12. So this is equations of our coordinates. Okay, 2 and 14s. Actually we can make so many equations. For example, suppose we can write 2x plus y. Okay, 2x plus y. 2x plus y equal to, so x is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 14 is equal to 18. So we can make so many examples of equations. Okay. Now our question is, two lines are passing through 2 and 14. Okay. How many more such lines are there? So suppose this is our coordinate 2 and 14. Okay. This is our coordinate 2 and 14. So there are actually thousands of lines can passing. Okay, we can say that infinite line can pass in our coordinates. Okay, so our answer is, we can write answer, there are infinite lines can pass through our coordinates 2 and 14. Okay, so this is the solution of our question number 2. In question number 3, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, then we need to find out the value of a. Okay, so we know that here our coordinates are 3 and 4. Okay, that means value of x is equal to 3 and value of y is equal to 4. So put this value in our linear equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. So write down, we have linear equation 3y equal to ax plus 7. That's why 3 into y equal to a into x plus 7. So value of y is equal to 4. Value of x is equal to 3. So we can write 3 4s are 12 equal to a into 3. That's why 3 times a plus 7. Now 7 is positive at here. Okay, so on another side we can write 12 minus 7 equal to 3 times a. That's why 3 times a equal to 12 minus 7. So what is the value of 12 minus 7? Okay, so 12 minus 7 is 5. So our value of a is equal to 5 upon 3. So this is the solution of our question number 3.